And we're actually up. Amazing. Awesome. Very cool. So this is what happened with the bot from last week. So to recap, for those of you that don't know what we created, here is the breakdown of what it does. So this is a weekly options momentum strategy that runs once per trading day and opens new trades on Thursdays. So this trades every Thursdays. Each week, it ranks a given list of tickers by recent performance, then buys at the money or slightly in the money call options for the top candidates. So we gave it a list of tickers. I believe that list is down here. What we did last week is we did a little bit of research and we said, what are the tickers that have done the best over the past year or two? I believe was our query that we asked ChatGPT, and it gave us these symbols: Hood, VST, STX, WDC, Palantir, AppLovin, NRG, and CCJ, right? And then there's also Carvana and HIMS, right? So that is our list of tickers that we are following, right? And then basically what it does is it ranks these symbols by 3-month performance and selects the strongest performers by trading, right? So we'll take a look at that list of symbols and say which one has been doing the best over the past 3 months. And then whichever one is doing the best, it will then buy call options that are at the money or in the money with expirations between a configurable minimum and maximum days. So between a 2 to 4 week expiration date on these options. Okay, position sizing uses a fixed percent, right? And basically a fixed percent, I believe we set it to between 5 to 10% of the account. So we're not YOLOing our account. We are trading about 5 to 10% at a time, but still very, very volatile. We get some pretty crazy moves on it. And then exits the positions if we hit the profit target or stop loss, which I believe we set to our take profit is 100%, our stop loss is 50%. And then, we allocate 7% of the portfolio approximately every time we trade. Okay. This was the back test. If you guys remember, really nice back test. We got a 289% per year annual return. I'd say that's a pretty nice result for a back test. Of course, always take back tests with a grain of salt. In this case, we picked the symbols that did the best over the past few years. So of course, we're going to have a good result. That does not mean that it won't do well in the future. It may not. Back tests are fantastic things to help you figure things out, but they're obviously not always perfect, right? So we want to take that with a grain of salt.
Okay, like what you saw? See the strategies we've created in the marketplace or create your own with our powerful trading AI at www.botspot.trade.